Just over 14 centuries ago, Islam's Prophet Muhammad, may peace and blessings of God be upon him, was chosen as God's messenger of mercy to mankind. Well known for being the greatest man on earth, his astonishing legacy changed the world for the better.
According to Sunnis, Prophet Muhammad was born on the 12th day of Rabiul Awwal, the third month of the Islamic calendar, while Shias believe that he was born on the 17th. The birthday of Prophet Muhammad is considered an important occasion, and major celebrations are held in the Muslim world.
Allah says in the Holy Quran, "And hold fast by the covenant of Allah altogether, and be not disunited." The need for Muslims to keep united is clearly underscored in this verse. Not only has the Islamic Unity Week ensured that all Muslims come together to celebrate the birth of the Holy Prophet over a period of a whole week together, it has also provided a shield against those who seek to exploit their own interests by dividing and segregating Muslims into different sects. Sunni and Shia Muslims have resisted such efforts by coming together in these celebrations. Furthermore, globally, Muslims are able to forget their differences as they acknowledge the common prophet and express their love and affection for him in various different manners. This allows many misconceptions to be removed, as all Muslims are followers of the same prophet.